Hi everyone, so today we are going to show you how to make a mummy goodie bag, and these are the materials that we will need. We will need a 5x7 brown paper bag, black and white cardstock, a white streamer, okay, a big and small scraper, our Cricut spatula, pair of scissors, and glue. Okay, so today we are going to use the liquid glue, and also we will need the glue stick, and don't forget the ruler. Okay, so right now we are just going to cut our streamer, and we are going to cut at least 24 inches long of streamers, and we are going to fold it at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, and we are going to cut right in the middle. Okay, so for one 5x7 paper bag, you will need about 32 inches of streamer. So what we're doing now is we are taking our glue stick and running the glue stick on the paper bag, and we're just gluing the streamer on the bag. Okay, and working your way up, you can position the streamer however you want it. And the one thing that's good about using the streamer is it kind of makes it look like it's a gauze, and it's very, very cheap compared to if you were to use a cardstock. Um, I think a streamer would actually be a better alternative, especially if you have to make it for a whole classroom. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're just cutting the edges for any extra streamers. And that's it. That's all we have to do for the paper bag. And on the design space, we want to cut out the eyes for our mummy. So we're going to use the circle shape, and we want to make the size of the outer part of the eye 2x2. So this goodie bag I'm actually making for my son's class, and there's about 32 to 35 of them, and we'll need to make a lot of these. Okay, and so to make it easier to follow, we decided to make the outer part of the eye white, and then the inner part, which is a pupil, we are going to make it into the color black, which what we are doing right now. Okay, and we've decided that we want the pupil to be 1x1. Okay, and we just want to position everything like how we want it to look. Okay, and because we want to cut out the white outer part eye, we are going to hide the pupil, the black. That way we are only going to cut using the white cardstock. Okay, so we are on the editing part where we position the paper. Okay, and we are going to connect our Cricut maker Okay, and once it's synced, we're going to choose the type of paper that we are using. Okay, so we have our cardstock on the 1 inch mark on our mat, and you have to make sure that you insert the Cricut mat the correct way. Okay, so we wait while our Cricut machine cuts the shape out for us. Okay, so we have the 2 white circles which are going to be used as the outer part of the eye. Okay, using our second mat, we are going to cut out the inner part of the eye, which is the pupil, and we've decided that we want it to be black, and the size for that again is 1 by 1. I'm going to highlight both, group it, and then attach it. That way we cut the 2 circles on one mat. We're going to position the circles on the 1 inch mark. We're going to sync our Cricut Maker. Okay, we are going to choose the type of paper that we are going to cut with the pressure to default. Okay, so on our second mat, we are going to cut the black inner part of the eye for our mummy. Okay, we're going to insert it into our Cricut Maker and have our maker cut the shape out for us. Okay, and there you have it. We have the 2 black circles cut out, and by using your Cricut spatula, we're going to take out the 2 circles off the mat. And then we're going to use our spatula to take out the white cutout off our mat. So now we just want to make sure that we want everything to look exactly how we want it before we put the glue together. Okay. By using the liquid glue, okay, we're just going to glue the 2 cutouts together. Okay, and just let that sit and dry for a little while, and then you just want to place it on the bag to see where you want the eyes to be before you glue them. Okay, again using the liquid glue, Elmer's glue, have that on there, glued together. Okay, and taking more streamers, I'm going to glue over the eyes. And we are doing this just so that it looks like the mummy's eyes are covered with the streamers. Okay, and there you have it. It's really easy, really inexpensive, and they're really cute. Hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave in the comment box down below. Thanks for watching.